Welcome to the first session on C programming. I'm going to introduce an online compiler to get familiarized. Now, this is a GDB online debugger with which we are going to work some C programming programs. Now, in C programming, always we start with something called hash include, which you call it as a preprocessor directive, which mean I'm telling the compiler to include something. What am I telling the compiler to include? I'm telling them to include a standard input output library. I stands for input, O stands for output. Input is the scanf statement, output is the printf statement for C programming, and H stands for the header. Compiler always comes first to int main. Okay. Now, suppose I want something to be called maybe hello world to be displayed on the output screen. What do I do? Whenever I say display, you have to remember that you are going to use a printf statement. Printf, I'm, I'm using a double quote within which I'm writing the hello world, which mean whatever is written within the double quote will be displayed as such on the output screen. And you have to remember every line terminates with a semicolon. Now, if I'm trying to execute, you can observe that hello world has been displayed on the screen. Suppose I want this hello world to be shifted a little. So I use an escape sequence slash t, maybe a little more further slash t, another slash t, another slash t. So I've used four slash t's, four slash tab spaces, and after which my hello world displays. Fine. Now I'm going to execute and check how is it working. Yes, you can see that hello world has come or shifted a little. Okay. Now imagine I want hey, you are awesome to be printed on the output screen. What do I do? It should be displayed on the output screen. So I should use a printf statement. I should use a double quote. Hey, you are awesome. And as previously said, every line terminates with a semicolon. Now I'm executing my program. You can observe hello world. Hey, you are awesome to be printed on the single line. Now I want this hey you are absent to be printed on the next line. What do I do? Yes, I use yet another escape sequence with slash n. Next line or a new line. And another slash t for a tab space. A slash t for a tab space. Now we'll see how my output looks like. Yes, it looks good. A little more tab space if I use, it looks much more better. So I'm going to use a slash t yet again. And now I'm executing. You can see hey you are awesome to be moved a little further. Okay, so this is how we use normally a printf statement for display. Suppose I want a star pattern to be printed or after the hello world. What do? It should also be displayed. I use another printf statement and a slash t, a slash t, a slash t, a slash t. Then I'm going to use star, 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 star until my hello world gets over. Now I'm terminating it with a semicolon. Now I'm executing and you can see that star pattern has come here. Now I want it in the next line. What should I do? Yes, good. I should use a slash n so that it comes to my next line and you can see my output looks a little better. Presentation is awesome. Okay, so this is how we normally present or display using a printf statement. Hope you have understood the concept clearly.